In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your emails from SiteGround to Nexcess, offering a step-by-step guide designed to make the process simple and efficient. Let's begin by preparing both of our accounts. First, start by logging into your SiteGround account, either through the cPanel or Site Tools, and take a moment to review your email accounts. It's crucial to know exactly which accounts you need to transfer. Next, log into your Nexcess client portal. If you already have email hosting set up, locate it. Otherwise, you may need to configure it through a connected email service like Google Workspace or Zoho Mail. This step ensures that you have a place for your emails at Nexcess. After setting the stage, it's time to create the same email accounts on Nexcess that you have on SiteGround. Navigate to the email management section within your Nexcess account. Here, you need to create identical accounts with the same usernames and passwords as on SiteGround. This will facilitate a smooth transition. Now open your Nexcess email accounts for info and sales or any other email addresses you may have. You want to verify that these accounts are correctly set up. Then configure your email client, whether it's Outlook, Thunderbird, or Mailbird. The goal is to use this client to copy messages from SiteGround to Nexcess. Add your SiteGround email to the client using the incoming server settings mail.yourdomain.com on port 993 with SSL. Follow up by adding your Nexcess email account using the server settings imap.nexcess.net with the same port and SSL configurations. This dual setup will act as a bridge, allowing messages to transfer seamlessly. Now we move to transferring the actual emails. In your email client, open both your SiteGround and Nexcess inboxes. Select all messages from your SiteGround mailbox and drag them over to the corresponding folders in your Nexcess mailbox. This method ensures that all your emails are carried over correctly. Once this transfer is complete, allow some time for synchronization to finish. This process uploads all the emails from SiteGround to Nexcess servers, so patience is key. The final step involves updating the DNS or MX records, a crucial phase for ensuring continuous email functionality. Log into your domain registrar or DNS manager. Here, you'll need to replace the old MX records from SiteGround with the new ones for Nexcess, such as mx1.nexcess.net. Don't forget to save these changes. Note that DNS propagation can take anywhere from 1 to 24 hours. As a concluding step, test your email by sending and receiving messages through your new Nexcess mailbox. Ensure that all your old emails are visible and that new ones are arriving without issue. This check confirms that the migration was successful. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on transferring your emails from SiteGround to Nexcess. Following these steps will ensure that your email transition is seamless and secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.